Hey you guys, so we're gonna jump right into the video. I'm starting out on freshly washed hair. I'm just taking down the sections because I do wash my hair in sections, and this is how my hair looks without any product. So I'm gonna go in with my wide tooth comb and I'm gonna begin parting. You want to make sure you have a nice clean part in your hair, so if it takes a long time to part it, that is absolutely fine. But I'm just going to go in with my water and aloe vera juice in my spray bottle. Now I'm taking the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Repair Leave-In Cream, and I am applying that all to this first section. I'm applying a generous amount so that my hair will be soft. And then I'm just going in with my wide tooth comb and combing from the bottom to the top. Next, I'm going in with the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Moisture Curl Hair Milk. And then I'm going to apply that over my hair as well. Now I'm going in with my Creme of Nature Tangle Teaser and combing from the bottom to the top of my hair, removing any tangles. And lastly, I'm going in with the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Essential 7 Treatment Oil. And now I'm going to begin flat twisting my hair. So I take a small section at the beginning and I'm going to split that section into 2 pieces. And you just wrap around like you would normally do for a twist, but you're going to continue to grab hair from the big section. And that is how my first flat twist looks. And so I'm just going to repeat this all over my head. So I'm parting just to make sure I got nice clean parts. I'm spraying my hair with my aloe vera juice and my water just to make sure my hair is nice and soft and moisturized. I'm going in with the leave-in cream and then combing my hair. Then I'm going back in with the hair milk using my Tangle Teaser. And then I'm applying the oil to my hair, and then I'm going to begin flat twisting. So yeah, I've repeated these steps all over my head, and this is how it looks right now. I'm spraying my hair one more time with aloe vera juice and water, and I'm going in with my oils on my edges, and then I'm just going to put my scarf on. So now I'm just going to take those flat twists and put it in a ponytail and then untwist them. And then comb them out with my wide tooth comb. Then you're going to take another ponytail holder, wrap it around, and make a bun. Now I'm just laying my edges down and taking some gold jewelry and putting them on the flat twist. And this is the finished look. I am going to lay my hair down some more with my scarf, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at XO_Ramani.